So this will be a tutorial on technique layer, also known as cutting parameters. First, let's get an understanding of layers and colors. Go to the production tab and click on the technique button. This will open a window that shows the technique parameters and technique layers for your part. By default, it will only display the current layers on your part. For my part, only the green layer is set on the features of my part. This means that my part will be cut with the same technique for the whole area. If you want to see all the technique layers and the corresponding colors, you can click on the Read Other Technique Layers button. This will open up your list of techniques. From there, find the same technique that you already have open and select it. Now you will see all the colored layers that are possible for your part. You can select any color to see the technique parameters for that layer. The technique layers are a way of defining different cutting techniques for different features of your part. For example, you can use green for a fast cut, blue for marking also known as etching, pink for a medium-sized cut, etc. Each color has its own set of parameters for cutting, piercing, power curve, etc. This way, you can optimize your cutting process. There's two ways you can do this. In Hypcut, the first method utilizes the simplified version of SIP nest. First import your nest, or part in the production tab. This will open up the simplified version of SIP nest. If your part is already imported, just click the graphic button. You will see your layer squares in the top right of the window. To change a feature of your part to a different color, just select the feature and click the desired color. Hovering your mouse over a square will display the type of layer. It's better to set layers on the part before you nest it, as setting layers on a nest can be very time-consuming. Selecting features with your keyboard's Shift key held down will allow you to select multiple features at once. The other way for setting technique layers is the Debug tab method. To do this, select the Debug tab. Then click the Open File button and select your part or nest. Now select the features you want to change, click the corresponding color layer.